everyone, I'm Raw Potato, and here we are back with Wayward, Wheels and Wetlands. Part 36 here, we'll continue loading on Kraken Co. Hope you guys are enjoying the series. Leave a like down below, comment, tell me how you've been. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, ring that bell, you get all the notifications. I post mostly daily, try to. And yeah, here we are, we got an aberrant slime. That's not good. We left off, we made 10 tools. We got the works here. None of this stone tools. We're out of the stone age. We got a tin sword, and then we got a copper hammer to repair with. Hey, can we make a knife out of? Oh, we can. Cool. We need more copper, and that requires more talc. So we need more talc essentially. So we can smelt up all the ore we have. We have this nasty guy. Oh, and one of you in the comments suggested making a shield. Being all Chad mode. Don't go past leather and scales. We're gonna equip like the copper helm and breastplate. And the greaves. Because I like the whole combo of that. And we'll upgrade to scales eventually with it. But making a wooden shield and then just whittling it down. Which would be a good use for our 10 refinement tools, I think. Let's ignite that. Let's see, do we have anything in our bag? We have some seeds and a sauteur. We might need the sauteur. Let's test this out here. That was a miss. Oh, we got him. Got some slime gelatin. You know what we can do with that now? We can take that and try and tame a slime. Then we can farm them for slime jellies. Split them up too. Because this is used for purifying food. How are our chickies doing? Let's go check on our chickies. Oh, there's a little raft. We're gonna have to break that tree down. How are my chickie chicks? Let's feed them a little bit. There we go. What is that? Pick up the bird droppings. Anything else here? No? Alright, cool. Yeah, a lot of feathers. We got 4 of them right now. Still terrified of that kraken. Put the bird poopy in there though. Rat, you don't want this. And you left my door open. I'm thinking you do want this. We're hungry. Nah, I don't want to be rough to the end, but it's right there. It's all up in our base, so let's repair that. I think if we wash away the blood, that's... Nah, it's nothing. Let's fill that up. Grab one of these, grab one of these. We gotta start a little fire. Oh, we already have one started. Well, that's good. Purify our water. Oh, it went out. Let's see, we need a pointy stick or something. Or we just make, yeah, it's tainted meat. We want to make the pemmican out of it. There we go. That'll probably be our dinner. The fat, what should we do with the fat? Gelatinous shaving of animal fat, slime useful as a rendered fuel. I think the only use is really to make a candle with it. I like making the candles, so that's fine with me. Alright, we want that shield. Wooden shield. It's 3 planks, 3 string. We have 1 of each, so... Don't want to use that for a string. I think we have some wood up here. Yeah, we do. Dismantle it all, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. We got one left. We're getting sleepy. Nice. Wooden shield. Repair our knife here. It's getting super damaged. We could probably make a better one, especially once we got the copper. All that. Let's make the string out. Let's drink some water. Let's have a bite of our pemmican. Then we'll. Oh, I didn't want to make that, but I guess it's good to have the healing item. All right. Put the string away. Put these boards away. That fur. We got a little bit of animal fur in there. Sort by name. Oh, that's full actually. We got trees we can plant. Let's grab these. Let's do a little bit of refining. Is that lower? Oh. Ah! We gotta reinforce it with something. We need like animal glue. We could try making that. Ah. Alright, Rat, get some. Alright, let's make some animal glue. That's funny. Look at the durability. The bar goes across my screen. You're gonna grab a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a light of that. Alright, now we got some animal glue. It's for 273. Nice, nice. Let's see, 273. Reinforce it. 27. Oh my lord. Two. Can I keep? No, I gotta repair it again. Okay. I don't really want to. I'm gonna make some slime glue. Ooh, it's good slime glue. Nice. Kind of want to use the dinky refinement tools that I have. These ones. There we go. Oh no, just use them. What's this working? Our woodworking? Cool. Now we need another piece of glue, but we gotta sleep. I like this idea. Alright, let's go for a nap here. If anyone else has anything you want me to do, let me know down below. Definitely be up for it. Our guy was tired. Better be day when we wake up. It's not day. It's not daytime. We gotta find something to reinforce our little shield with. See, what kind of glues are there? There's animal glue and then there's slime glue. Okay. Slime glue would probably be more achievable if we if we tamed them, brought one back, and started feeding them each other. Those ready? Yeah. Got some beggar tick seeds now. I think there's more. There should be more foods around on the island for us to pick by now. Like these ones. Nice. Next you know, hopefully we'll get an apple tree or something. Alright, Mr. Rat. I need your glue. Gave me no glue. Alright, don't take out the rats. Note to self. They are not worth it. What is that? Tumbleweed? We need something bigger. Not too big though, please. Oh, nice. The chives are ready. Got some chive seeds. Good. What is that? A tree? Spruce tree. I love seeing baby spruce trees in real life. They're so small. These all ready to be picked. Be worth it to grab some of these. Skyrocket that rep a bit. A little more of a food source too. Hit around the bend, we can get the other ones. It looks like the sun's starting to come up now too. Just a little bit. If we extinguish our torch here, let's see what. Still use it. Give us a little bit extra sight. Can't wait for when our hay comes in. Cause then goat that's like living by the rock somewhere. Oh, apple tree. We're gonna tame goats once we get hay. Nice. Is this all talc? Tin. Shame. You talc? Talc? No? Ah, no talc or nothing. Gotta fill up our water. Oh, here's some talc. Fortunately, we didn't bring any a pick with us. We got a fossil there. That's cool. Some more talc up here. Okay, so we're gonna want to come down this way when we need more talc, which is now, but right now we're just doing a little perusal around the island. It's been a while since we've done that. Like, look at this. We're gonna be able to plant 3 beggar tick plants. And we got a lot of seeds. Got apples. Oh, my candle. That's okay. What is that? Oh, we're dehydrating. Oh no. There we go. Can't make another. Make pemmican out of what here? Our fire got out anyways. We gotta be on the lookout for water source up here. Got some mushrooms up there we can pick. More apples. We have like 5 or 6 growing underneath our house, so I don't care about scooping those up. They honestly might be good. Ah, water. Gotta tear down a tree. I don't have an axe. Anything else? We haven't been on this side of the island. Looks like it's just water. Oh, nope, there's some more stuff out here. Free bark. Oh. Ah, no water. Oh, wait. We got this stuff, but I don't know how to make the filters with the swamp water, like filter. Clay filters. I bet you we need a blowpipe. And probably charcoal. We are running low on water though. Ooh. Oh, nice. Ah! Oh, these are ready. These are ready. More chives, more potato plant. Nice. Ah, okay, let's ignite this. Oh, there's a kraken. Okay, a lot of bad in there. Ooh, apple tree. Can I set a gather liquid one? Action. Gather liquid. There we go. All right, C2. What's C2? Oh no, not that. Control. Oh, it's control. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Nice. Nice, I like that a lot. So now we can make use of more hotbar buttons the way we see fit. Really peaceful episode, this one. I was expecting that aberrant slime to be a lot more difficult to handle. But no, it was fine. Doesn't mean I was about to go tangle with a harpy and a kraken. The harpy I was about to stand off with, just see, but then there's the kraken there, and I'm like, nah, don't really wanna. Oh, a chicken! Bird droppings. We'll leave the chicken alone. Good opportunity to see if they clematis. I think this is a rare one. We gotta remember this one. I think we can make a special vine whip out of it. Hello, button mushrooms. I see you. Alright, well, this has been a pretty successful journey. I think I'm gonna leave it there for this episode. I've been Raw Potato. Hope you guys have enjoyed. We're gonna continue forward with whittling this down as best we can and reducing the weight to 0.1 if it'll let us. We got three of these tin refinement tools to do it. Got a bunch of seeds. Got an apple of hoarding. That's cool. Yeah. Bye bye.